The hot milk cake is known all over the world as a hot milk sponge cake, and its characteristic has been fluffy, that is super soft. Let's begin. I'll pour the eggs into a bowl and add the salt and start whipping. I'll slowly add the sugar and continue until you get a fair and frothy mixture. I have already sifted flour and baking powder together and add them a little at a time. I'll stir with a Marisa spatula from the bottom to the top, and now pour 2 spoonfuls of dough in a smaller bowl and keep it aside. I'll heat the milk up, add the butter, let it melt, bringing everything next to the boil. I pour the milk into the bowl with a little bit of dough I had kept aside and mix it to obtain a batter. I'll blend this mixture with the rest of the dough, add lemon zest and stir gently. I'll pour into a cake tin that I've already greased and floured and bake at 180 degrees on the bottom rack for 25 minutes. Then I'll transfer it to the middle rack and continue cooking for another 10 minutes. Guys, the hot milk cake is Giovanni approved. I'll leave a link down below for the full photo recipe explained step by step. If you liked this video, please leave us a nice like and also comment. And if you haven't done it yet, subscribe to the channel.